Okay, so the numbers on this house, I just pulled it up. So they purchased it after all the closing costs, title fees, everything like that. It was $162,500. So $162,500, that was the purchase price with all of the costs, hard money, loan costs, all that kind of stuff. Budget on it is $25,000 for the rehab. Of course, this isn't my house, this is one of my clients. I'll need to double check with him and see where he's at on his budget, but I would assume that he's pretty close. We've been staying in really close contact. So end sale price on this is projected to be $225,000. So $162,500 plus $25,000 is what, $187,000. $225,000 is the resale. Of course, from there he's got realtor fees and closing costs for the title company and everything at that point, which will be another probably $8,000. So if you add that to there, what, 187, 8,000 puts it at 195. Of course, I'm doing all this in my head, so apologize for that. 195 is kind of all in, and then all he's got at that point is just his holding costs. So this was purchased a little less than 30 days ago. He should be done, like I said, in about 2 to 3 weeks. So he'll be about maybe 45 days or so for rehab. I anticipate to be able to get it sold for him within the first week or two. And then of course a 30-day closing. So all in with this, we're projecting, and based on the original numbers, at around 90 days total. So from start to finish, 90 days. Like I said, at 225. So let's say he's at 195. He's got maybe $5,000 or $8,000 in holding costs. So it would put him just a little over 200,000, kind of his break even. So even if he goes to 205 and we sell it at 225, that's a $20,000 profit. So not too bad for his first flip, depending on where he's at with his budget. If he's over or under what's going on, those should be approximate numbers on it. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. But like I said, hopefully he'll make around $20,000 on this after all the fees and real estate fees and holding costs and the whole thing, which is not bad at all. So anyhow, I appreciate it. You guys give a thumbs up on this video, comment below of anything that I might have missed or you guys might want me to comment about. Of course, don't forget the second link below here for the free Facebook group. We can chat more about particular things. If you guys are flipping properties or anything and you want to know more information, be happy to help answer some questions on those, as well as you know, anything that might be coming up or might want my input on. Be happy to help you. And of course, if you're in the Phoenix area, for sure, definitely hit me up. Be happy to work with you and do the same thing for you. I do this for a lot of my clients as well as myself too. So anyhow, again, don't forget to subscribe. I've got more stuff coming as well. I appreciate it as always, you guys watching. You guys have a great day. Thanks again.